Hi everyone, today we are going to look at a drink that is essential for individuals with iron deficiency, but still anyone can take this for the nutritional value that it offers. So we're going to do a smoothie, and this is based on ingredients such as the cashew nuts. We have the raisin dried, of course, we have the beetroot, we have water, we'll also use lemon juice. Yeah, so this is an essential drink for individuals with issues that are related to anemia deficiency. So with me I have 3 spoons of raisins, dried of course. If you get one without seeds, the better. And then I have as well 3 tablespoons of cashew nuts. I also have a small piece of beetroot, but in your case, if you feel that the beetroot you have is large enough than mine, you can just use half a beetroot. So as I explained the importance of this drink, I'm going to extract my lemon juice. So smoothie, especially based on the ingredients that I just mentioned, that is the cashew nut, dried fruits, and if you add a lemon or any citrus fruit, are very good for iron. So the reason why I squeeze my lemon first like this is to ensure I get as much lemon juice as possible. But for this recipe, we're just going to use 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. So there are many plant fruits that are rich in iron, but for this we're going to use the beetroot and the cashew nuts. For example, they provide around 6.68 milligram of iron per 100 grams. This is about 3 times more than the same that you can gain from any animal protein. So the only drawback of using a plant-based iron, just like the cashew nut, is that it's difficult to be observed, so it takes slightly more time to observe the iron from this. And so with this citrus, it makes the plant-based iron to be observed in a more efficient way and effective way, just as you could have taken a meat product. So the lemon and the beetroot in this smoothie promotes iron absorption from the cashew nuts and from the raisin. So I'm going to squeeze 2 tablespoons of iron juice, the lemon juice, sorry. This will be essential for us. So I think I have squeezed enough out of this. So together, that is this smoothie with all the ingredients, what they help to do is to restore the level of iron when they are low due to the blood loss or maybe chronic disease. And essentially it doesn't mean you really need to have a problem with your iron deficiency so that you can be able to use this. You can also enjoy this as an efficient drink, just to have a good health in general. Yeah, so I'll go ahead and start mixing all this to ensure that we have a smoothie that we can get to enjoy as a family, or for individuals that have low iron deficiency. Oh sorry, they have low iron in their blood, or the iron in the blood is not really enough. Okay, I'll go ahead and get my blender and start mixing all this. Okay, so to make, I'll start by adding the cashew nuts into my blender. So I'll add the cashew nuts. After adding the cashew nuts, I'll go ahead and add the raisin. After adding my raisin, I'll go ahead and add to this water to allow it to blend. properly. So I'll add this water. So I'll start by blending this first, and then I'll later add the beetroot. Sometimes you may find that it's very difficult to blend the beetroot, so what you can do, you can just cook it slightly, like you can simmer it on hot water to ensure it's a bit soft so that it can blend more efficiently. So I'll just blend this first. So after blending for a while, I'll go ahead and add the beetroot. I like to chop it first into smaller pieces to make it easy to blend. Other than the beetroot, I'll add the 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. So this is my lemon juice extracted. Yes, so once I've blended until I have smooth paste, so this is what we have. It's really colorful and yummy. It looks really nice. Yeah, so with this, I'll just go ahead and serve it in a glass. So what you do, this for anyone with iron deficiency, there is need to be taking a cup of this each day. So what this 1 glass serving does, is that it will provide close to 13% of the iron daily needs, together with other nutrients and phytochemicals that promotes its absorption. So this is an important juice not only for the iron deficiency individuals, but anyone that wants to maintain a good iron level, and because of the other nutrients it contains. Like for this, we have around 11% calories, we have 22% sugars, we have 13% fats. There are absolutely no saturated fats, so this is quite healthy. And proteins in this is around 11%, and there is also fiber, which is good for the digestive system, which is around 14%.